Alright guys, pinuputol talaga natin yung video kasi we wanna make this short kasi baka may happy play for some people. So the other thing you can do for balance and core is warriors 1, 2, and 3. So warrior 1, make sure na nakadikit yung as much as possible nakadikit sa tenga nila, yung arms nila. Make sure the body is squared up in the front, nakabend yung harap habang yung nasa likod naka-straight. Alright? So you hold it for about 20 seconds. The second thing you can do is warrior 2. Right? Kung nasa right ang paa, nasa right din yung kamay. Hold mo for 20 seconds. Warrior 3, you're gonna face palm yourself in a way, and you go up backwards. Right? Same thing, you hold it for about 20 seconds. So it's good for neck, back, knee, ankle. And it's good for balance. Alright, the other thing you can do is this. Let's say gusto nyo dynamic balance. Opposite leg and arm. Opposite leg and arm. Right? Pabilis siya ng pabilis. Kung kaya nyo mabilis, then fine. Right? Pero kung gusto nyo medyo may konting stretch, then you can make lunges for a bit. I-lunge yun ng konti, straight to, lunge dito. And change, lunge. Right? Pero they're just doing this in place. Hindi sila lumalakad. May mga pasyente lalakad dyan. Huwag nyo mahayaan. They just stay in place. Good.